All right, here's Devil Went Down to Georgia by Charlie Daniels Band for Baritone Ukulele. We're going to have D minor chord, 0, 2, 3, 1. We're going to get into a... So that's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. 3, 4. Okay, pretty easy. So we're going to go to a C chord next, 2, 0, 1, 0. We're going to do the same thing, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Here we go, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try to do those two together. D minor into C. 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, and... Okay, let's try that one more time. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to have one chord at a time. D minor, C, and then B flat. I like to just use one finger there, try to get that flattened out to get those top three threes there. Twos also for an A chord. You could be doing those like the full way with a B flat to A. You could do it that way. You can fit them all in there. I end up trying to use one finger a lot on those, whatever finger it may be, you know, that fits good. So we're going to have D minor, C, B flat, A, G, A, D minor. Okay, so that was D minor, C, B flat, A, G, A, D minor. Hold that for a little bit, then we're going to have... So that's a little extra chords there, kind of power chords at the end. So we have the big two twos, and then the open on the G string and the 1 on the B string. And then we're going to go to the 2 and the 3 on the G and B. We can also hit the D bass. Make that sound nice and big. And that's the one that holds out and he gets his verse going. Okay, so everything so far we got. Okay, and then we're going to have like another one like that, dun, 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 but it's going to switch around and it's going to go. So it's going to do, this is actually part of a C chord, this open and 1, and this is part of an A chord, the 2 and 2. So instead of going A, C, D, this one switches around and goes C, A, D. Back to the 0, 2, 3 there. That goes, holds on for a while, he sings a bit, that's going to have another one of these, A to C to D. And then we're going to have a little walk-up thing. Okay, and we're going to have a 3 on the 3rd string, and then open 1 and 2, and it's like it's walking into this D, but we're going to go ahead and start playing the D bass with the D minor chord at that point, so it's... Okay, so we have this walk-up, 3, 0, 1, 2, and then we're going to start doing a D minor, bass chord, bass chord, bass chord, bass chord. Same thing with the C. Now we're going to go G minor, 5 with the 3s. Back to the D minor. D minor again. Back to the G minor this time. A chord there at the end. And then we're going to end that with 7, 5, 3, 2. You could also go 2, 0 on the G string, 3, 2 on the D string if you want. But sometimes if you kind of slide into that 7, it sounds nice and bassy on that big string, right? Okay, so let's go back to that walk-up thing we had. 3 on the G, and then 0, 1, 2 on the B, and then D minor bass chord, C, G minor, back to D minor, D minor again, G minor, and A, and then 7, 5, 3, 2, and then we're back to the beginning. And then D minor, C, B flat, A, G, A, D minor, and then that 2s, open and 1 on the 3rd and 2nd strings, and then 0, 2, 3. Okay, and then we get into the next part. We're gonna have this cool rhythm here. We're gonna. Okay, so those first two times it's just kind of a two-note thing. Then when the band comes in after the first two setups, you can kind of add some notes. So we're just doing the 2 and the 3 on the 3rd and 2nd strings here. We're muting the other strings. And we have strum, chicka, strum, chick. Okay, so we got to look at each one of these chicks to keep that rhythm together. So this one actually comes in before the next measure. So it's like 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Okay, so listen to this in context, kind of. So that one's like a upstroke on this one. So. See how that works? And then we're to the 4 and 5. So the rhythm stays the same. We just have this order of chords. Dun 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 dun. We got dun 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 dun. So some of those are on the upbeats before the new downbeat. So once again, I'll try it nice and slow. Okay, so we're going to do this a total of 7 times. So the first 2 will just have those 2-note chords. But then as we go on, we can add to this chord on the 5th fret, we can add a 5 on the bottom. So it's 5, 6, 5, and then this other one becomes 4, 5, and 3. So this is like a F major chord, and this is like an E minor chord. And this is like just a D5 chord, a D power chord, because it doesn't have the note that makes it major or minor. So on the 3rd time through the 7th time, we can go. So it's really fast on the real record. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it'd be a total of 7 times, 2 times with just the 2-note chords, and the other 5 times with those bigger chords. So when that's all done, we're gonna hit a G minor chord, 5 with 3s. And then G minor, A minor, which is 2, 2, 1, O, of course. G minor, A minor, B flat, C, and then C again to D minor. So it ends up being hold that one, and then bum, bum, bum. So C, C, D minor at the end. And then we'll back that up with that. Okay, now our next part is going to be D chord here, 7, 7, 7. We're going to go. And then 5s. So what we did is dun da da dun da dun dun da dun, and that's a 9, 7, and 8 chord right there. So down, down, so down, down, up, down, chick, up, chick, back to the 7s, and then 7, 7. So it's same thing on the 5s. We do it twice. Now for this next part, I got a new little picking thing for us. We got D minor again, but we're gonna go bass to the 2 small strings and then go into that other bass note. So that would get some moving bass going on in here, like a real country thing. So it's like big bass, little notes, higher bass, little notes. So we alternate like that. Then we're going to go to a C chord, but we're going to do the 3rd string first. Okay, so we're going to go. Let's try that. 3, 4. And then C kind of in verse. We'll do this 4 times. Let's say that was the 4 times. Then we're going to hit an A chord, which is 2, 2, 5, and 5. We're going to go hold it, hold it, one more time, and then back to those chords. Set up the last type of verse. Got a little harmonic there you can hit on the 5th fret. Remember, harmonics is when you play right above the fret, but you don't press down. You get that overtone there. Okay, so then we're going to be back into the... And then we're back into that picking thing. But we're only going to go twice. Back to the D minor. Then we have a little run. 1, 3, open, 3. So 1 and 3 on the B string, open and 3 on the E. And then we're gonna go 3, 1, 3, 2. So that was 2nd string, 3, 1, 3, 2 on the 3rd string. A little different timing that, and then we're gonna go 3, 1, 3, 2, open, 3. 2 D minors at the end there. So we got all right, Devil Went Down to Georgia. Hope you dig it. Charlie Daniels Band, 2 pages of tabs. Talk to y'all soon. Thanks a lot.